How to make money on Metro Opinion. Hi there, in this video, we will learn how you'll be able to earn money using this platform. This actually is a platform that pays you for answering surveys. So what you can do is go to your web browser and just simply go to MetroOpinion.com. You can search that on your web browser as well, and the first link that will come up, you can definitely click on it. And then you can either sign in into your account, or if you haven't created any account yet, you can just simply register or sign up for your own account. So the first thing that you'll need to do here is that you'll actually need to choose a country, since every surveys differ from each country. So the first thing you need to do is sign up. The next thing you'll do is answer, and after that you will be paid. So that's how easy you will earn money here on Metro Opinion. So here there are different types of platforms where your payment will be, or where payouts will be sent. Either it will be sent to PayPal, either through a voucher or through donations. So here are the different informations as well. For you to start creating your own account, you can click on sign up here, or you can just click on choose a country first, and then once you have chosen a country, you can definitely click on start here. Once you click on start here, you'll just need to input your email address and your password. And from here, once you have signed in or signed up into your Metro Opinion account, what you can do is just log in into your Metro Opinion. Since here I've created a new account, what I'll do is click on the login button that's on the upper right corner of the screen. Just need to close this here. So here, click on login, and then all you have to do is sign in with your email and your password. Once you have signed in, you just need to wait for it to load up, and you just need to add additional information. So you just need to input your gender, your date of birth, your postcode, and make sure that you check the box for I agree to the privacy notice and the terms and conditions before you click on update. Wait for it here. So input your postcode. Let me just check here, and then once you click on update, you will be routed into your homepage, or this would be your profile for your Metro Opinion account. So as you can see, there's a lot of icons here. This actually contains different questions from different categories. So in order for you to get more surveys that Metro Opinion will give you or allocate to you, you need to answer all these questions that are in each icons, so that Metro Opinion will know what your occupation is, just the basic informations on what your daily routine would be. So here, when you click on the survey, you will be able to click here or look into the informations or the survey that you are going to answer. And on the next tab there would be the payment, or how much your balance would be. So here, going back to our profile, let's answer a few questions here. So when you click on the home icon, this is household questions. So for example, what is your personal income? They will provide you all those informations, or ask you all those informations. So for example, let's go to music rather. So they will have here an average, how many hours of televisions do you watch per week? So these informations like these one, depending on what your answer would be, and if there are any surveys relating to your classification, you will be provided with surveys relating to what your personality is, or depending on what your profession is, or what your hobby is. they will definitely base the surveys on that, since they will not allow you to answer surveys if you are not knowledgeable in that specific type of topic. So all you have to do is just answer all of these questions that are being provided. So it is really advisable for you to answer all the questions in each icons, since the more questions you answered, the more chances you will be able to get surveys, and MetroOpinion will allocate surveys to your account, which means the more surveys you have, the more money you will earn here on MetroOpinion. So just keep on answering those questions, and if you want to, you can go to this right side panel of the screen. You can update a few details like your last name, street address, and a lot more. And you can definitely do that here as well. But if you don't want that or those informations to be in your account, you can leave it as is. So here I'm just keeping on answering the questions to create my profile, just to make sure that once I've built my profile here on MetroOpinion, I will definitely be able to answer a survey, or they will offer a survey for me to answer rather. So here there's a few questions that allows you to answer multiple answers. Some questions only require one option for you to choose from. But here in this question, this is about what type of companies or businesses you're into, or what are your go-to fast food chains. Here, this is the foods and beverages that you'd like here. So these questions, they provide these questions so that, for example, a company wants surveys for their product, like a drink that they want to have survey on. And if MetroOpinion knows that you are that type of person who is knowledgeable of the beverages that are trending, or if you often drink those type of beverages, MetroOpinion will provide surveys for you. So for example, I've completed 2 surveys or 2 icons with answers right here. You just need to wait until MetroOpinion will provide you the a survey for you to answer. So while waiting for MetroOpinion to provide you surveys, all you have to do is just keep on answering all of these questions. And I assure you, once all the questions have been answered on your profile, you will definitely be able to get more surveys for you to answer as well. So here, when you go to your payout, you'll be able to either donate the balance or the income that you've earned, or you want it to be received on a voucher, or you can pay it out through PayPal. And that's basically it. That's how you'll be able to make money here on MetroOpinion. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.